Video 6.1, Using Subject Pronouns. The subject pronouns are as follows. Singular subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, and plural are we, you, and they. Use one of these subject pronouns when the pronoun functions as the subject of a sentence or a clause. For example, you would say Mark and I are designing a time capsule. Or we will present our design to the student council. Predicate nominative. Use a subject pronoun when the pronoun functions as the predicate nominative. Remember, a predicate nominative is a noun or pronoun that follows a form of be and renames or identifies the subject. For example, the committee members are Mark, Ann, and I. Or the persons in charge of the project are Kevin and she. Here's a writing tip. If someone asks, "Who's there?" you probably answer, "It's me," not "It's I." But in speeches, in essays, and on grammar tests, be sure to use a subject pronoun when the pronoun comes after a form of be. So you would actually say, "It is I," or "It is we." Compound subjects. Watch out for compound subjects. To decide which pronoun to use, for example, Laura and me want to borrow a CD, or Laura and I want to borrow a CD, say the sentence with just the pronoun. Me want to borrow a CD. I want to borrow a CD. Use the pronoun that sounds right. Laura and I want to borrow a CD. Here's a practice test. See if you can choose the correct pronoun. Number 1. Julio and her or she wrote to the International Time Capsule Society. The correct answer is Julio and she, because you would say she wrote to the International Time Capsule Society. You wouldn't say her wrote to the International Time Capsule Society. Number 2, them sent us information about time capsules, or they sent us information about time capsules. They sounds correct, and it is correct. It's the subject of the sentence, so you need to use the subject pronoun. Number 3, him and me, or he and I will find a place to bury the capsule. Again, he and I are subject pronouns. They're the subjects of the sentence, so those are the two you would use. And 4, the ones who register our capsule with the ITCS are us or we. And the correct answer should be are we. Good luck using the subject pronouns on your own.